Next comes to the part of installation of the new plastic case. First, put the plastic upper case on the protective foam. Then prepare these things, the valves, 3 valves, and we need to install these 3 valves on the upper case. Make sure you need to tighten the screws. After installing the valves, next step we need to install the video screens. First, prepare the screwdrivers, 4 screws, and the video screen. And we need to put the video screen in the correct place. Make sure the direction is correct. You can see there is the small holes here. So this hole have to be connected to the fan. And then use the screws to tighten the video screen. Next step, for your convenience, first place this long valve on the upper case, and then 2 people turn the upper case upside down, and the third people remove the protective foams. Next step, we need to connect the valves, so also put the protective foams on under the. Next step is connect the valves of this side. Make sure you need to check the pictures and the numbers that you make. And then you need to connect the valves of the fans of the upper case. And then remove the protective foam. And next step, we need to connect the valves of the video screen. And next step, you need to connect the valves of the video screens, and also have to check the pictures. After connecting all the valves, you need to remove the protective foam, and first put the uppercase in the holder. Next step is installing the side case. First, prepare the screws, screwdriver, and the side case. Install the side case into the holder. And then use the screws to tighten the side case. You need to pay attention that the left side case and the right side case is different. So the better to make a mark. After two side cases are installed, then the installation of the upper case is finished.